Welcome to the next episode of our vlog. This one is episode 3 and it takes place in Laos.
So the first thing we did in Laos was the gibbon experience. It was one of the most amazing things we've ever done in our lives.
Yeah, in the gibbon experience you get to stay 2 nights and 3 days in a treehouse. And you have the chance to see gibbons, gibbon monkeys, really cool primates. And you do a whole bunch of zip lining too. The treehouse is only accessible by zip line. And this was our treehouse, check it out. So we have arrived at our treehouse and the gibbon experience. Look at this amazing place. I'm just 40 meters up in a tree. I don't know if you can see it like this. All the way down there is the 4th floor. Gonna walk to the kitchen now. Hey guys, you're in the 2nd episode of the vlog. Say hi. Ah, there's our food. Nice. I wonder what we're gonna eat. So this is the kitchen. Where the food comes from. And this is where we eat later on. So this is the place up to our bed. We just walk right here. And here's our bed. Let's check it out. And the last stop is the shower. Let's go there. It's just down these stairs. Check it out. After a horrible night in the sleeper bus, we arrived in Luang Prabang, the cultural capital of Laos. It's in the north. And there we did a couple of cool things.
Over there we got ourselves a motorbike and went to the Kwang Si waterfall. It's a really spectacular waterfall. You have to check that out.
after Luang Prabang we went to Vang Vieng. This is a nice place to hike. We visited some viewpoints, climbed some rocks, some karst mountains, and also we visited some lagunas that did swimming. It's really nice.
We finished our Laos trip in Thakek, where we did a motorbike tour that included lots of caves and waterfalls and many hours of dirt roads.
Yeah, one of the biggest highlights of the trip was the Xebangfai cave. This is the biggest river cave in the world. It's located in the Hinnam No Biological Reserve, and that's almost at the border of Vietnam, so it's quite a drive over dirt roads. And we stayed up in the middle of nowhere. The guest house was called Nom Ping, and we were the only ones there. So this concludes our adventure in Laos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
Bye!